Let's get some of this. Even only on there? Yeah. Now, if you want to take real care over it, you can. I'm just giving you an example of what you can do. There you go. Nice red flower. How's about that? Then all you've got to do, what colour is this? Oh, this is grey. Oh well, that's the one I found. So let's do the centre grey. That's job done. There you go. Quick and simple. You like that, didn't you, Bear? There you go. And there's your flower. Happy Valentine's. Hey? I should have made a smaller one. I'll be getting that bounced off my head if I got that for Valentine's, I'm telling you. So, what do you think of that? And here's Mr. Grumpy. There's Bear and the boss lady there.